Welcome to our channel. Activating your Chime debit card is simple and quick when you follow these clear, step-by-step instructions. Welcome to our channel. If you've just received your new Chime debit card, you're probably eager to start using it right away. Activating your card is the first essential step, and we're here to walk you through the process with a professional and easy-to-follow guide. First, make sure your card has arrived and that you have your Chime account login information handy. The activation process can be completed either through the Chime mobile app or by phone. To activate via the Chime app, open the app on your smartphone and log in securely using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Account section where you will find an option labeled Activate Card. Tap on this option, then enter the last 4 digits of your debit card when prompted. Confirm the activation request and wait a moment. The app will notify you once your card is successfully activated. Alternatively, if you prefer phone activation, call the number provided on the sticker attached to your new card or the number listed on Chime's official website. Follow the automated voice instructions carefully, entering your card number and any other required information. After completing the automated prompts, you will receive confirmation that your card is active and ready to use. Remember that some cards may require you to sign the back to ensure security. Once your card is activated, you can start making purchases, withdrawing cash, and enjoying all the benefits Chime offers. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, Chime's customer support is available to help you promptly via chat or phone. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly and safely activate your Chime debit card and manage your money more efficiently with the convenience this modern banking option provides. Don't forget to keep your card and account information confidential to protect against fraud. We hope this guide helps you get started smoothly with your Chime debit card.